Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are doing this marble effect on glass, and for that, to prepare the surface, all I've done is I've gone ahead and painted it with white chalk paint, and I'm using all the list of the supplies will be listed in the link below in the description. And all I'm doing here is I have used white chalk paint and charcoal gray chalk paint. I think it's called Maui sand from Deco Art, but I will give the description in the give the link or the name in the description below. So what I'm doing here is I've taken a thin brush and gone ahead and made thin random lines, and I'm trying to blend that color with the sponge, and I'm just trying to blend the color using a little bit of white in between and mixing the two colors so that it gives a nice gradient kind of a look in because the veins on marble are very random, and you don't need to follow any particular shape. You can just go ahead and make it just the way you want, just random. All you need to be careful about is that you don't go ahead and color everything, and the veins should be visible and have a little bit of an effect. So if you're new to my channel, welcome, and I make weekly videos on different DIYs of home decor and different techniques, etc. So I would appreciate if you consider subscribing if this is something that interests you, to learn different techniques and different focused on recycling and upcycling stuff. So that are the kind of videos I usually make. I do paper crafting videos too, so lots of fun, lots of things happening on my channel, and I've done some short videos also. If you would like, I will leave the link in description, and as well as in the cards somewhere on the right hand side corner you'll find some links to the videos that I have made recently. Also, so as you can see here, I'm just repeating that process again and again. I go with a thin brush, and then with a thick with the sponge. So that is how I will keep repeating this process till the time I'm happy with the kind of effect I have. Then I leave it to dry. Once the paint is completely dry, I will sand it down and varnish it with a matte varnish to give it a nice smooth finish. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please do not forget to give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you soon again. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.